Marking fractional length on the number line. This is the number line, you already know. 0 to 1. Here, two equal parts. That means this is one part, this is one part, this is half. The distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit long. If divided into two equal parts, that means like this. So the length of each part is 1 by 2 unit. This is 1 by 2 unit. 1 by 2 unit. 1 by 2 unit. So this blue line is 1 by 2 unit long. 1 by 2 unit long. Next, here, this is 1 unit. 1 unit divided into 3 equal parts. This is 1 by 3 part. This is 2 by 3 parts. This is 3 by 3 parts means 1. Here is the fractional unit is dividing the length of 1 unit in 3 equal parts. Write a fractional that gives the length of blue line in the box or in your notebook. I write it. Try you also. Next. Here, a unit is divided into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. That means 1 unit is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. 3 by 5. 4 by 5. Next, 5 by 5 means 1. This is 2 by 5. This is 4 by 5 unit. Next, figure it out. On a number line, draw lines of length 1 by 10, 3 by 10, and 4 by 5. This is the number line. This is number line. See, 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Make this is 1 unit. Divide this 1 unit into 10 equal parts. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, there. It's okay. Next, this is 1 by 10. This is 2 by 10. This is 3 by 10. This is 3 by 10. Okay. Next, 1 by 10 is this. This is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Next, 5 by 4 by 5. This is 4 by 10. 5 by 10. 6 by 10. 7 by 10. 8 by 10. Here 2 4s are 2 5s are, that means 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Yes. Next, write 5 more fractions on your choice and mark on the number line. This is the number line. Like this. This is a number line. S 0 to 1, 0 to 1 unit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 8 by 8, 8 by 8 is equal to 1, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Next, how many fractions lie between 0 and 1? Think, discuss with your classmates and write your answer. Answer: infinitely many, infinitely many fractions, infinitely many fractions lie between 0 and 1. Yes. Next, what is the length of blue line and black line shown below? The distance between 0 and 1 is 1 unit long, and it is divided into equal parts. The length of each part is 1 by 2, so blue line is 1 by 2 unit long. Write the fraction that gives the length of black line in the box. This is 2 by 2 means 1. This is 3 by 2. 4 by 2 here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. That means 2. This is 3 by 2. Next, write the fraction that gives the length of black line in the respective boxes. Here, 5, 1 unit, 1 unit long is divided into 5 equal parts. That means 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5 means 1. This is 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. 5 ones are 5 twos are 2. This is 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. Alright. This much for in this video. In the next video, I will discuss mixed fractions. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.